Hello, Sanbonani. My name is Sibo. Today we are doing blueberry crumb or blueberry streusel coffee cake. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Cinnamon, sugar, and softened butter, and mix it with your hands by rubbing it in between your hands, or use a fork. Then after, you close the bowl or cover it and put it in the fridge whilst you prepare other ingredients. Let's do dry ingredients. On medium bowl, mix flour, baking powder, a pinch of salt if your butter is not salted. Then add blueberries here. In another bowl, a large bowl, mix sugar with lemon zest, then butter. I would like to appreciate the returning subscribers and say thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. I truly appreciate your time. Now add 1 egg at a time with vanilla essence and beat for about 4 minutes until the mixture is fluffy. Please check a list of ingredients and more information in the description box below. Now we scrape the sides of the bowl and mix, because dry patches can stay on the sides. Gradually add flour in 3 batches, add milk in between and mix. A very warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you choose to stay here. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Mix with a spatula to check for dry patches. Then mix in blueberries if you haven't mixed them with flour, but preferable you mix them with flour. Pour the batter into a baking pan lined with parchment paper. Level the top. Sprinkle the streusel on top of the leveled cake batter. Then tap the pan a few times to eliminate air pockets. Then bake for 50 to 55 minutes or until the streusel is golden. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I would truly appreciate that. I'm cutting it after it has cooled down. I hope you will try and make this cake. It is delicious. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.